At East Tennessee Children's Hospital, we know that time is precious, but some times are better than others. That's why we have 4 urgent care facilities with pediatric experts ready to get you back to better in no time.
Well, good morning. Happy Sunday, everybody. Have a great day today. Now, today we're going to have a mix of sun and clouds. It's not going to be abundantly sunny, but we're not really looking at any rain, and the air is going to be so much more comfortable. It's going to be a great day to get out and enjoy, but you'll need the glasses for sure, the sunglasses anyways. We do have a disturbance off to our north and northwest. When you look at the radar over the last 3 hours, excited to see how that disturbance is producing a little bit of light rain back into Missouri and Arkansas. What it's doing for us is it's going to throw some mid to high level clouds our direction. Now, this morning we do have an inversion taking place, and so we actually have some low level moisture, some cloud coverage being trapped underneath that inversion. That will eventually break up, and we'll see plenty of sunshine with the high level clouds starting to work their way on in. So again, just calling it a mix of sun and clouds. Our futurecast is picking up on that pretty nicely here. It's also picking up on a few radar returns. The atmosphere is too dry. We're not going to see any rainfall throughout the day today. That's going to be way up in the clouds, but again, a mix of sun and clouds and a beautiful afternoon. Temperatures this morning start off on the cool side. For the Cumberland Plateau, we're in the mid to upper 40s with 50s for the rest of East Tennessee, 52 degrees in Greenville, 52 in Sweetwater to get the morning started, which is, by the way, much cooler, 10, 15 degrees cooler than what we had yesterday. So that's that comfortable feeling that we have taken shape. Dew points will continue to fall a little bit throughout the day today, and so that's that comfortable air that's going to stick with us. The humidity will gradually build back in as we get into our Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. So today's forecast, lunchtime temperatures will be in the low 60s. That's going to feel so nice. If you have brunch plans after church, afternoon temperatures climbing into the low 70s. We'll call it a mix of sun and clouds. And even by 8 o'clock here tonight, we'll be down to about 68 degrees. So a really nice day ahead of us today. Rain chances don't really start to ramp up until we get into our Tuesday. There are some signals on Monday, but I don't think we're going to see any activity, so I'm going to keep us dry for now. But make sure you check back in Monday morning. We'll see how it all plays out. Other than that, we're going to see afternoon showers and thunderstorms start to develop. A cold front swings our way Friday. That's going to do a clean sweep on Friday, drying us out into the weekend, but may increase our rain chances as we get into Thursday. Now, when you look at your rainfall forecast over the next couple of days, not much activity expected over the next 5 days. Most of the activity is going to be off to our west as a ridge of high pressure continues to break down across the southeastern U.S. And then all the way through next Saturday, again, across the Ohio Valley, the upper Midwest, and the Great Plains, we're going to see the majority of the rain. But here in East Tennessee, probably not going to see a ton. I think the best chance for seeing some showers and thunderstorms, at least through the middle and latter part of the week anyways, will probably be across the Tennessee-Kentucky border. I think the southern valley is going to stay on the dry side. So let's walk you through the 7-day forecast. Beautiful and pleasant today. We're at 73 degrees, 79 tomorrow, so a little bit warmer, but again, a mix of sun and clouds as we have that northwesterly flow and a little bit of upper level moisture heading our way. Then we'll see isolated storms on Tuesday, scattered showers and thunderstorms Wednesday, Thursday. A cold front swings through on Friday, elevating our rain chances and maybe even a risk for some isolated strong thunderstorms. But again, as we get into the upcoming weekend, it looks like it's going to be another beautiful weekend with some sunshine returning on Saturday. Make sure to scan the QR code on the bottom right-hand side of the screen. Download the East Tennessee Weather app to always stay in the know with a local weather forecast right there at your fingertips, and it's 100% free. The interactive radar is going to be great, giving you past, current, and future radar, so check that out. By the way, I'm on Roku TV, Amazon Fire, and YouTube, so make sure you go subscribe to that YouTube channel. And as we head off to break, we'll leave you with a live look in downtown Gatlinburg this morning. A nice day to take a hike in the Smoky Mountain National Park. Have a great Sunday.